Hello, 6th graders. Welcome to Big Ideas Math, Section 3.4, the Distributive Property Activity. Pause while you write Section 3.4, Activity, in your math notebook. Pause again while you write today's activity objective in your math notebook. Today's objective is to understand that multiplying numbers with more than one digit involves distributing the one-digit number over the digits of the two-digit number. Please copy the following key terms, definitions, and examples exactly as they appear into your notebook. The distributive property is to multiply a sum or difference by a number. Multiply each number in the sum or difference by the number outside the parentheses, then evaluate. So here's some examples for you. Please copy those into your notebook exactly as they appear here. Like terms are terms of an algebraic expression that have the same variables raised to the same exponents. So 4 and 8 are like terms, and 2x and 7x are like terms. Today we'll be working on page 69 in your Record and Practice Journal. Activity A, modeling. Draw two rectangles of the same width but with different lengths and label the dimensions. When I draw these on the screen, please draw yours in the same place where I draw mine on the grid. Letter B says write an expression for the total area of the rectangles. So that's both of the rectangles put together. So our rectangles are 3 by 4 and 3 by 6. So we're going to write 3 times 4 plus 3 times 6. Letter C says rearrange the rectangles by aligning the shortest sides to form one rectangle and label the dimensions, and then write an expression for the area. So again, I'm going to draw the rectangles, and I want you to copy that into your Record and Practice Journal. So as you can see, I've drawn the two rectangles, and they're one on top of the other. One is 3 by 4, and one is 3 by 6, but they share a common side with the 3. So when we write the expression for the area, we write it as 1, 3 because they share that side, and it's times 4 plus 6 in the parentheses. And then it asks, can the expressions from parts B and C be set equal to each other? So that means, are they equal to each other? And then explain. So our answer has to be yes, because we have the same two rectangles. They're just sitting on top of each other. For homework, you are going to be doing the first direction in activity E, but not the rest of it. So you're just going to be doing the part where it says repeat this activity using different rectangles. The rest of it we will do in class. Your assignment for this lesson is to complete the first sentence only of letter E in Activity 1 on page 69 of your Record and Practice Journal. Be prepared to share during our next class. Please remember to earn credit for viewing this flipped lesson. You need to complete your exit slip back at the website. You also need to come to our next class prepared with the journal pages that we did during the flipped lesson or any other work that we did for the flipped lesson completed. You also need to be prepared with any work that was assigned in the flipped lesson completed, and be ready with any questions you have for your teacher, and as always, have a good attitude. We'll see you tomorrow in class. Remember to earn credit for viewing this flipped lesson. You must complete your exit slip. You must come to our next class prepared with your journal pages or any other work that we did during the flipped lesson completed, and you need to be prepared with any work that was assigned during the flipped lesson completed. Be prepared with any questions you have about the content of the flipped lesson, and a good attitude. We'll see you in class tomorrow.